I tried 50 AI image generators in one session. I used the same prompt for all of them. So let's dive in and find out which one comes out on top. Okay, the first one is ChatGPT. Create an image of Will Smith eating spaghetti. This will be the same prompt for all 50 and let's go through all of them now. This one looks really good. The next one is FreePic. It created pretty great images but not Will Smith lookalikes. Then we have Gemini from Google. It cannot create an image of Will Smith because it may go against the guidelines. It can create other things, of course. Then we have deepai.org. It created a pretty good image of Will Smith. Then we have Copilot from Bing, from Microsoft. Also the same problem as with Google, content warning because of the guideline. Then we have perchance.org, completely free AI image generator that creates really interesting images, as you can see here. Then we have Canva, of course, great tool overall, but also have problems with creating content like that. Then we have dramina.capcut.com and it created pretty good images, as you can see here. After that, I tried magichour.ai. Good and funny images. Then we have pixart.com. Pretty good images, not very Will Smith realistic. Then we have also piclumen.com. Actually, this image looks pretty good. Yeah. Then we have CG Dream, completely free AI image generator, which actually creates very realistic images. Followed by that, I tried imagine.art. Images looks pretty good, as you can see. After that, I tried photor.com. As you see, Will Smith here looks kind of very different than he really is. Yeah. After that, I tried pixlr.com. Images are kind of cartoonish, but still fun to play with. Then we have Recraft AI, and actually this is pretty realistic image, as you can see here. After that, I tried acool.com. Here Will Smith likes to smile while eating spaghetti, but image looks okay. After that we have artlist.io. Nice looking image, but we can proceed further. Then I used magicstudio.com. Here we have kind of also cartoonish style of the image. Let me now go to the second window because I was afraid that first Chrome would crash. So here I tried visualelectric.com. Images look pretty okay, especially this one here. Followed by that, I tried Ideogram, and everybody knows Ideogram creates pretty good images from text, as you can see here. Then one also famous AI image generator, Leonardo.ai. He looks kind of young here, but images looks realistic, perhaps over polished. Let's speed up. Flux1.ai, funny image. Then we have Midjourney, and I couldn't even try anything without paying. No free trial, no anything. Leave me in the comments down below if you manage to find a way. The same goes with klingai.com. Even though it says here I have free credits, I didn't receive any free credits with different sign up. Same with stability.ai. Okay, moving on. flux-ai.io. Pretty funny looking image. After that, stablediffusionweb.com. Those are good looking images but do not resemble what I actually tried. Then this one is funny, artguru.ai, looking funny image. This one is monica.im, and image looks pretty okay. So we have deepdreamgenerator.com. This is kind of animated and very funny. Then we have also dezine.ai, and images are okay. This one especially funny. After that, I tried weed.io, popular video generator, and it also can create images. This one looks very funny. Then I tried Firefly by Adobe, and as you can see, really did not get the message at all. Then gencraft.com, also funny looking image without a shirt. After that, getimage.ai. Images are pretty okay, kind of afro style haircut. After that, FlexClip, popular also AI tool overall. Images look okay, very animated. After that, also I try hotpot.ai with many commercials here, and he is looking kind of concerned. Okay, going to the third window here, where I try pixelcut.ai. Very good looking images. Then also deepai.org images. Okay, then the tool by UCam. Here he is in kind of a rainbow colors. Then Believe.ai. Here is also ketchup.
Douglas, would you please pass the ketchup?
Then we have RunawayML.com, and this one did not get it. After that, tried a photo room, could not try anything without paying. After that, Cider.ai, pretty kind of animated, interesting images that you can create with them. Then Promea.pro, pretty interesting looking images. And then we have only a couple of more. This one is Crayon.com, very pixelated image. Then Raffaelli.org, completely free image generator. Then OpenArt.ai, images actually look pretty good, as you can see here. Yeah, and then the final one, this is the all 50 AI image generators in one session. Here we have one of the funniest images also. So yeah, I really had a hard time finding 50 different AI image generators. And now let's see which generations are the best. I will here use pretty raw method, just opening those images in Windows Explorer, so no filters, no anything. And here they are. By my opinion, the best image is by ChatGPT, then by Dremina from CapCut, then by Ideogram, then by Recraft, and then by CG Dream, because it's completely free. So let's look them up in the full screen. This is ChatGPT, this is Dremina by CapCut, this is Ideogram, this is Recraft, and this is it. The winner, by my opinion, is this image here, completely realistic. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.